Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and my mission is to get people's mouths as healthy as possible and save every tooth that's possible. Well, this woman came to my office, and I gotta say, I try to save everything, and I'll go to almost any length to save a tooth, but even this is beyond my ability to save. This is really quite remarkable. This woman has almost no bone left around her teeth. There was pus coming out from under the gum around these teeth. It's actually amazing that the teeth were still in the mouth. Well, why were the teeth still in the mouth? The teeth were still in the mouth because actually there was so much tartar or calculus behind the teeth that they acted as a bridge, just holding the teeth together. Unfortunately, when you keep highly infected teeth like this doesn't just affect the jawbone. This woman had developed diabetes, kidney disease, and there is no doubt, none in my mind, with the severity of the infection that she had, that this was certainly at least partially, if not fully, responsible for these systemic diseases that she had. So these teeth have to come out. Of course, sometimes we can actually replace missing teeth with implants. That's what was done here. All of the upper teeth were in bad shape. Implants were put in and an upper permanent bridge was made. I do everything I can to get people healthy and get their mouths healthy, but sometimes you just can't. So just remember, healthy gums are one of the very important things to having a healthy body. So if your gums are not healthy, you are not going to be as healthy as you could be. And this is an extreme example of gum disease related to other important systemic diseases. Make sure your gums are healthy. Gums should never bleed. And if you have a healthy mouth, if your gums are healthy, you are going to be healthier. So we'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comments, questions, we're here for you. Just take care of yourself and have a good day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.